Good afternoon. Today again discuss the journal. Okay. Now one example are given. Journalize the following transaction in the books of Ram. Easy transactions are given. 2020 July 10 days transactions are given. Now how to record journal? First 2020 2nd July started business with cash rupees 1 lakh. Ram started business with cash rupees 1 lakh. This is the transaction. Now you recorded. First identify which account debit, which account credit. This is the your in earlier classes discussed in theory portion in details. Now which account debit, which account credit. Before you mention which account debit credit, you just explain in again back calculation. That is two accounts are open, one account cash and another account capital. Cash is the real account and capital is the personal account. Then apply the golden rules. In this case cash comes in debit and capital is the personal account. Ram give her, that is credit. Now cash account debit and capital account credit. Now how to record? This step is very important. Which account debit? These are recorded date 2020 July 2nd July. Cash account dr indicate debit. 2 one letter gap, 2 capital or Ram's capital, to capital account. Now amount debit amount, so debit column 1 lakh. Similarly which account credit, so credit side 1 lakh. Now that brief history of the transaction, starting always being started business with cash. Okay. Now first transaction is complete. Now second, deposited into bank account rupees 30,000. Which deposited? Cash deposited. You identify that two accounts. One account is cash, another account is bank. Both are real account. Golden rules apply. Comes in debit, goes out credit. But in this case bank balance increase. Bank account debit to cash. Now July 3rd July bank account debit to cash account. Amount 30,000, debit 30,000 and credit 30,000. Again also there are brief history of the transaction, that is narration. Cash deposited into bank. Okay, everybody understand? Now next transaction, point number third transaction, purchase goods for cash. Purchase goods for cash, this is a cash transaction and two accounts are open, one account cash and another account purchase. Cash, what types of account? Cash is the real account, purchase is the nominal account. You apply the golden rules. In this case cash goes out, that means credit, and purchase is the nominal account. Expenses or losses debit. Now journal entry, purchase account debit to cash. July 5th July purchase account debit to cash account 25,000 both sides double entry system, one account debit, another account credit. Again also you write narration, being purchased goods for cash. Okay. Now then, fourth transaction, sold goods to Amit, 6 date July 6, sold goods to Amit. This is not cash transaction, credit transaction. Two accounts are identified in this case. First is the Amit and second is sales. Okay. Now again repeat, in this case credit transaction. Credit transaction means which account? Two accounts are open in this case, Amit account and sales account. Amit is the personal account, that is Amit receive. Now journal entry, Amit account debit to sales account, amount 30,000, both sides are recorded 30,000, debit and credit. Again you write the narration same, being sold goods to Amit. Okay. Now July 8 July paid wages. Paid wages means cash paid for wages purpose. Two accounts are open, one account wages and another account cash. Wages is a nominal account, cash is the real account. Expenses, losses, debit, that means wages account debit, to cash account. What is the amount? 5,000. Debit 5,000 and credit also 5,000. Narration, being wages paid in cash. Okay. Last transaction, July 10th, received commission rupees 3,000. Which commission? Commission received account and another account cash account. Okay. Now in this case two accounts are open, one account is cash and another account is commission. Now cash comes in the cash account and commission is the nominal account, income or gains, credit. Then journal entry, last journal entry, 10th July, cash account debit to commission or commission receipt account. Commission receipt is a nominal account, income 3,000. Okay. Last you total debit equal to total credit. Under the double entry system, always total debit equal to total credit. Everybody understand? Thank you.